I don't know what it is you do.
Found a ladder just hanging around out here. That's it for my squirrel hunt.
I lose my breath whenever I see you.
We're going to climb up this ladder and clean the wall.
You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself.
Steps are too steep, so I had to help the old pups up. We're helping Buddy. She is
Set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. Set my world on fire.
paint will drain back into the can.
Hey, at least I'm breathing. I know it took a while. Been looking for a sweet song, a sign
Okay,
of spring.
first coat is up.
Waiting for a reason
The first coat, definitely gonna need a second coat,
to sing.
but it already looks so much better.
'Cause I've been spending all my time to figure out just how
Addie, that's my bed. Did you punch a hole in my bed? I will spank you. Oh, no, I won't. You're probably right.
Must come down.
Don't have a microwave, so
Is what goes on.
let's see. How do we cook this? How do we get this?
Come down. Hey, at last, I stand alone.
Y'all remember this back in the day?
I know
Do not remove this tab. Follow all instructions. Okay.
we were. I know it could be broken. We could be cracked. And every word I've spoken could have been my last to you. Instead of spending all my time to figure why I've gone. I've come to this conclusion in the end. What's done is done. There's what goes on.
You can do it. You can do it. Do it.
Yes, what goes on. Finally will come down.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, road. On road. Aw. It popped out. I guess I got a little too ambitious. Aw, puppy. Hey, Peach. You stay up there, okay? We have a squirrel. So, found a ladder just hanging around out here. So, I'm gonna crawl up. I know exactly where it's coming from. And we have a little corner pocket in our staircase. And pretty sure the squirrel's coming through that. So I'm gonna crawl up there, look at the situation, see if I can't plug it up or do something to keep him from getting in there. Wish me luck. Comfortable doing that. It's very steep. I don't think I'm scared of heights, but I guess I am. This is the red trail. It's supposed to lead to about a 10-minute walk to a waterfall, a small waterfall. Got my trusty companion with me. I stumbled upon they do wood carvings with all this wood. We are wanting one. Very cute. Love it. That's really good. I like that a lot. That is super cute. Oh, it looks good. It looks so good. A little bit to my cups. Gotta let it cool down though. A grater. Next thing to a grater. Cool down. Thank you, baby. It's my girl. Oh yeah, that's yummy. It's her breakfast. Hey baby, I love you. So pretty, peaceful, quiet. I didn't get this on video, but I did put a second coat on and it looks so much better. I just love the contrast of the ceiling and the window wood with the white. It just looks so good. This is the last cleanup. Got all the tack strips up from the carpet, and I also got all of the, it was probably about 1,000,000 staples on the floor, but I got them all pulled up and just getting the last bit of trash up here before I call it a weekend and go back home. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys can hang in there with me. Next week's is going to be really fun. My dad is going to be in on this one, and some big changes are going to be happening. But again, thanks so much for watching, and if you can like, subscribe, and share, and do all the things to help my channel grow, I really appreciate it. So anyway, this is just part of the campground here. This is a fishing pond on one side, swimming on the other, and it has this wonderful man-made little waterfall feature, and there's more hiking trails and all kinds of things here. They have an arcade, they have golf carts that you can rent. And again, this is called Bear Den Campground in Spruce Pine. It's right off the Blue Ridge Parkway. But it's just a fun place for families. It's a campground, so you can camp out in your camper or a tent. And there's also some houses up here, which we have bought a house that we are going to be renting out, hopefully in March of 2022. But anyway, thanks again, guys. I'm just going to close it out here, and I hope to see you again next week. Y'all have a great rest of your week or day or whatever it is. See you next time.